Yep, yes. Changing brake pads in less than 20 minutes or less than 10 minutes. We shall strive to do that. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. The tie is out. I'll use I think number 12. Oh no, it's 13. Okay, yeah boy, yes. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So you just take out the top part. You see there? You just take out the top part there, and that's it. You're in business. Yeah. There you go. All right. Okay. Oh wow. Look at that. Look how finished they are. Huh? These. Now, look at this. Compare the two. Huh? It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so we're pushing in the piston. Yep. So that we can have. We're gonna use one of these to ensure that it's pushed right to the edge. You gotta be careful when you're handling this because the sharp metal is there. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So the piston is completely in. It's very simple. Then I put back the brake. All right. That doesn't feel right. Yeah. Yes. Let's try and put it back properly. No. Let's try it with the top part first. Yeah. Yes. You can hear the clicking sound. Now we're gonna put this one here, this side, as well. There we go. How many minutes? Yeah, there we go. That's it. There you go. How many minutes is that? That's 3 minutes. Right? We've changed our brake pads. Yeah. Okay. Oof. I've stretched my neck muscle. I'm not standing in the right position. That's it. We're done. And then we're putting back the tire. Yeah. There it is. It's aligned. All right. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's it. There we go. All right. So we go right across. That's how you tie tires. I'm in a very quiet neighborhood, and I'm disturbing the neighbors here with all this clanking of tools being dropped. Because these are quiet neighborhoods. This is Dublin 4. They might call the cops on me. Yeah, but yes. It's Ankara Commando. You know, this is where you imagine now your girlfriend alikumbi teromoteka yakufuira kwamba okulungisha pala pene takuya tifya kwa chana maisha kukosa omwana ofule waisha to life if you're big so you know. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. Right. All right. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Change the brake pads in less than 10 minutes. Yeah. What time is this? This is 9 p.m. You see that? If you look at the clock, that's 8:35. Yeah.